Well, I started working for Bolide, and Bolide is a manufacturer of resin floors, bridge surfaces, road surfaces, but also ship decks. And we started in the cruise business about 5 years before I joined, and we were doing some decks for Holland America Line. This grew into a bigger business, more design, more floors. And when I joined, I first started with industrial flooring, but quickly went into the cruise business via Meyerwerft. I had to visit Meyerwerft and try to sell the celebrity ships at that time. So it's now 24 years ago. Then I went to Miami the first time for this trade show, sea trade show. At that time, I don't think it was called Sea Trade. I forgot the name, what it was called, but Cruise Shipping Miami or something like that. And I came there the first time. I had a stand together with Eugene Roberto, who is a big carpet installer nowadays. And we had a little corner in his stand, and I was promoting our product, and I got a lot of positive reactions. And we were going to be involved in more new builds at Meyerwerft at that time as well. So really the industry was happy that I liked it a lot more, because it was a nice environment to work in. It was always about holidays, about making people feel good, making new things, designing new ideas, and coming up with new colors and whatever. Well, what I liked was Mr. Vogel when he was in charge of the TUI ships. He came to our stand and looked at our materials and looked at our products and said, okay, and there were some few guys with him. He said, I want that and I want that, and that has to be on my next ship. I said, okay, where do we sign? But that sort of things happen on a show. They have very little time. Mr. Vogel wanted to go back and watch some football, I believe, so he had little time. He said, yeah, but I want that, make sure that you contact this and this person and we'll get it organized. So that sort of experiences are great. The same thing happened with Fred Olsen. He's also like that. He always walks around with like 6, 7 people behind him. Yes. And then he comes to your stand and says, Jacco, what is new? Okay, that's new. Okay, talk to him and organize it with him. That sort of thing is, that's the great thing about coming to shows.